Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will be comparing between Flutter, React Native and Swift. React Native, Flutter and Swift are powerful technologies used to build mobile applications, but they follow completely different approaches. Let's start with React Native. React Native is a cloud platform which is created by Meta. It allows developers to build Android and iOS apps using JavaScript or TypeScript. Flutter is Google's cross-platform framework. Unlike React Native, Flutter does not use native UI components. Instead, it draws everything using its own rendering engine. Swift, on the other hand, is Apple's official programming language for building fully native iOS applications. It provides direct access to all Apple frameworks and system features. Now let's move forward and do a tabular comparison for all the features. As I have already discussed the platform support, let's check the performance of each now. Render active or React Native performance is near native, so it's not fully native performance. Flutter, on the other hand, is very high, and the reason is because it has its own rendering engine. Swift is fully native and is best for performance if you're building on iOS. Programming language: React Native uses JavaScript and TypeScript, Flutter has Dart, and Swift is called Swift. The UI approach is very simple. React Native uses native components. Flutter, on the other hand, uses custom rendering engine called Skia, and Swift uses native iOS UI. You can also use Swift UI or UIKit. The development speed: React Native is fast and is cross-platform apps. You can build apps on iOS or Android. Flutter is fast also, and you can build very fast custom UI apps there. And Swift is also fast, but only for iOS type apps. So this is the comparison. If you want to build apps for both Android and iOS quickly in one code base, React and Flutter are both excellent choices. But if your focus is highly customized UI and smooth animations, Flutter has a strong advantage. If your goal is to build premium iOS apps, then you should probably go with Swift. So this is it for today, and I hope this video helps you out in clearing the confusion between React Native, Flutter, and Swift. That's all for today, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.